Hello friends, you are welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. Let's get a solution to this question. 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent x minus 1 equals to 48. Alright, so the trick always under indices is that we try as much as possible to have the same base so that we can operate with the exponent, or we try to get the same exponent so that we can operate with the bases. Now, if you look at this carefully, you will see that the 48, and the 48, if we are looking for 2 times itself, how many times will give you this? We can see that you will not get, because 2 exponent 5 will give us 32. 2 exponent 6 will give us 64, which is way bigger than this. So we have to maintain this and see how best we can operate the left hand side, because this is not multiplication. If it were to be multiplication, we will only add the exponent. Alright, now we have to try and see if we can make this side do away with the minus sign. So what will I do? I can go back into the laws of indices, which is am minus n. If I'm given this, it means it's coming from a exponent n divided by a exponent what? N. So this minus I'm seeing in there is just from the division. Or we can take this to be a exponent m plus minus n. The n minus is as one term being added to this. And we know we are going to concentrate on the addition. So if I'm saying addition, it means it is just a exponent m times a exponent minus n. Addition is multiplication. So I can either use this for my 2 exponent x minus 1, or I use a division. What I mean is that I'm going to have 2 exponent this plus 2 exponent. Since I'm having, I can write as addition. Then it means I can say exponent x times 2 exponent minus what? 1. The minus n, since we are adding. Or better still, I can say this is going to be divided by 2 exponent 1. Which, if I want to clear this, it will still become over 2. So let me maintain the first one, 2 exponent minus 1, all equals to 48, because this is not having a base of 2 with any exponent to give us this. Alright, so now let's see how best we can rewrite this. That is 2 exponent x plus, this can be taken as a positive power out of reciprocal, so 1 over 2 exponent 1. So that will become 1 over 2 is multiplying 2 exponent x equals to 48. So now you can see we are having a fraction. We are trying to have a simple term. So we can clear the fraction from here by using the LCM, which is what? 2. So I'm multiplying through by 2. So 2 is multiplying 2 exponent x plus 2 is multiplying 1 over 2 times 2 exponent x, then 2 times what? 48. So fast forward, I still have 2 exponent 2 multiplying 2 exponent x, then plus this will cancel, so I'm left with 2 exponent x equals to, I think, 16, so 96. Alright, so now this is what I am left with. But what am I looking for? I am looking for x. Now, if you look into this place, 2 multiplying 2 exponent x can be taken as indices, whereby I can say this is exponent of 1. I'll add. If I add that, I'll be having 2 exponent x plus 1, x minus 1. I try to remove the double addition of exponent. So if I do that, I will still be increasing the exponent. So now this is just like, I can take the 2 exponent x to be a variable. Let's say k. It means I'll be having 2k plus what? K. I believe you have gotten the concept. If I've taken, since they are 2 exponent x, this is addition but not multiplication. The laws of indices cannot work. So I'm just taking 2 exponent x as a variable. That means I have 2 of the k plus k. And I believe you can tell me that I'll get what? 3k. So I can use the same ideology and say that there are 2 of the 2 exponent x plus 1 of them. And that gives me 3 times 2 exponent x equals to 96. I believe you have gotten the concept that since we are having the 2 of the 2 exponent x plus 1 of the 2 exponent x, it becomes 3 of them. Or better still, let 2 exponent x represent a particular variable. Then you can get what I'm having here. So I am looking for this. So I divide through by 3. So 2 exponent x equals to 96 divided by what? 3. What do we get? 2 exponent x equals to, I think I go here 3 times and go here 2 times. And here we are. Voila. 32 can be expressed in the base of 2. So 2 exponent x equals to 2 exponent what? 5. Now this is not 2 times 5 to be 10. This is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Meaning 2 is multiplying itself 5 different times. So we are having equal base. So our x is going to be 5. So therefore, the value of x is just what? 5. So you can check back, put the value of 5 into these places and see if you can get the same answers we are having. So this is what you do. At this place, if you don't want to just get what I'm having here, as in 3 of the 2 exponent x, you can still say that let 2 exponent x equals to y. So if that's the case, you'll be having 2y plus y equals what? 96. So in this case, you still get 3y equals to 96. Then if you divide through, y is going to be 32. But you already said that y is what? 2 exponent x. So in place of y, you put 2 exponent x equals to 32. We've gotten back to this place. So you get the same answer from there as we have. Alright. So I think that is it. Share it with your colleagues. Let them also have the benefit of this tuition. Thank you.